My Health Portfolio by Ashley Banker. What have I learned? During this course, I have learned a lot. I've been able to understand all aspects of health, and I can understand why health is so important. For starters, I never really looked into my diet and what I eat. I think it's very important to balance all aspects of health. This is because I was getting a lot of physical health done with exercising, but never realized that some of the other aspects of health didn't balance out. Physical health. Physical activity or exercise can improve your health and reduce the risk of developing several diseases like type 2 diabetes, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. Physical activity and exercise can have immediate and long-term health benefits. Most importantly, regular activity can improve your quality of life. In all, I see myself as a very active person. When I was younger, I tried a lot of sports, and since I've started swimming, I have loved it. Swimming works the whole body and is said to keep your heart rate up but takes some of the impact stress off your body. It builds muscle strength and cardiovascular fitness. It also helps maintain a healthy weight and healthy heart and lungs. Since I've swam for so long, I figured that I didn't really need to focus on what I ate as much because I've been swimming. Since we've started health, I realized that I need to focus on what I eat and make healthier choices. I am also a type 1 diabetic as of age 8, so I've just been on a quote-unquote diet since then. I can eat sugar, I just need to cover for it. Especially because of my type 1 diabetes, I need to make sure my body is healthy and I'm taking care of it. Social health. Social health is very important, especially in high school. In high school, there's always so much pressure to have a huge group of friends or to be in a huge clique when that's just not the case. Friends switch throughout school, and that's okay. Studies show that cliques makes bullies and mean girls brave. They are more likely to engage in rumors and gossip. I have a few close friends, and I'm okay with that, with those few close friends I have. It's better to have a few close friends than a ton of real ones. I also feel it's very important to edge out and make new friends and hang out with them because sometimes just being with your family or just the same person isn't the best thing to do. Seeing other people is good. Mental health. Mental health is very important and includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Many people struggle with mental health problems. Luckily, I don't have any mental health problems. Obviously, there's times when I'm sad or scared, but it's not a reoccurring disorder every day. Mental health disorders are very common, and many people have them and do struggle with them. Intellectual health. Intellectual health refers to being open to new ideas and experiences. In general, I think my intellectual health is very stable. I think I'm always trying to be positive and make the best out of things. I am also always open to trying new things, and I am very determined with things. If I start something, I must finish it. Consumer and environmental health. Lastly, there's consumer environmental health. With consumer and environmental health, it's very important, it's simple, reduce, reuse, and recycle to do anything to help our planet. To make our world better, you can do simple things like turn off the light and TV when you aren't using it. You can recycle and try not to use paper plates or bowls and reuse water bottles. And then this is my reference slide. Overall, during this course, I have learned so much about health, and I am going to continue to watch what I eat, exercise, and follow all aspects of health.